What are you talking about, baby? Yeah? Oh, don't kick me. What you doing, baby love? Oh, you're reaching for me? Can you wave to Mama? Can you wave? Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mama. Wave. Say hello. Hi, baby. Can you wave? I gotcha. Uh-huh. Well, what are you talking about? Oh, you want a hug? You reaching out for hugs? Okay. Should I put the camera down and give you some hugs? Say, please. Please, can I have some hugs? Please. Love you, Quinny Bug. Hey. Hey, baby girl. Quinn. You looking at your little elephant? Ah. You want to try this? Ready? Does it taste good? Should I post this for Papa and Grandma? Should I post this for Papa Dan and Grandma Christine? Yeah? Can you say hi? Love you, Quinny Bug. I love you too. Smile. I love you.